Make money on YouTube without recording videos, without showing your face, and without using your voice, just by using free AI tools. And that's what I did. And as you can see, I made in the last 28 days, I made $1,054 just uploading two faceless YouTube videos, as you can see over here. Okay, and that's what I made sometime $266 per day, then it go down to 42, then $54, and as you can see sometime 100 and almost $20, $9, and as you can see that's really a good money for me per month. If I just keep uploading videos, I can make more money. I just upload two videos and I made $1,054. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how we can start your own faceless YouTube channel without showing your face and without using your voice. Okay, and by the way guys, I got this money just with 4,000 views, almost 5,000, because this faceless YouTube videos are in the business industry. Okay, so let's get started. So how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel, how you can find trending and interesting topics that people will be interested to watch. What you need to do is you just need to go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, go to your YouTube homepage and we will use YouTube search to find trending and interesting topics. Click on the search over here and ask questions. So for example, I will ask what is the benefit, for example, okay, the benefits of, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for on YouTube. As you can see, YouTube search, people are searching for what is the benefit of eyes on face. Okay, what's the benefit of apple cider, and as you can see, what's the benefit of gloves, what's the benefit of drinking hot water in the morning, and so on. Okay, so you just need to choose one of those topics. So for example, let's choose what is the benefit of gloves. Okay, what you need to do is you need to go to chat GPT. Okay, so let's go to chat GPT and we will ask chat GPT to create an engaging and professional YouTube script for our topic. It's easy and simple. I'm just using the free version. Go to Google, search for chat GPT, sign up by user, email address, and this will be your homepage. After you finish, I will ask him make an engaging YouTube script, okay, about what is the benefit of gloves. Okay, like this, and here you go. Chat GPT will start creating your YouTube script. What you need to do next is you need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it using free AI voiceover. Okay, as you can see, here you go, your YouTube script is done. Click over here. Okay, what you need to do now is you need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover. So what you will do, you will go to Google and search for this website, search for 11 Labs. Okay, go to Google, search for this website 11 Labs. It's for free and easy to use. You can sign up just by using your email address, and after you finish, this will be your home page. Scroll down, go to setting, click on the first setting, choose which voiceover you want to use. American voice, they have a lot of voiceovers, as you can see over here. Voiceover for audiobooks, for animation, video games, and so on. Okay, so I will choose, for example, this one, Anthony. I like to use this one for my YouTube videos. Okay, scroll down, put your YouTube script here like this. Okay, so I'm gonna just record just the first part, guys. So I will delete this. Okay, so let's see. Then gloves for segment 2. I'm gonna delete this host and delete this part. So to show you, I don't want to make this video too much long for you guys, so let's record just this part. Okay, so what you need to do next, scroll down, click over here on generate. Okay, and you just need to wait few seconds and your voiceover will be ready. Okay,
alright, let's kick things off with a bang. Cloves and immunity. These little spice powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can give your immune system the boost it needs to fend off those pesky germs.
and here you go. As you can see, your voiceover will be ready. What you need to do is you just need to click on this icon over here and your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. What you need to do now is you need to make the video. We have scripts, we record our YouTube script. Now we need to make the video. Okay, so we will use Canva. We will use Canva to make those videos. Go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Scroll down, click on video. You will be directly in this page over here. Okay, then click over here on upload. Okay, upload file, and you need to upload your voiceover to your Canva account. Okay, this is my voiceover.
Alright, let's kick things off with a bang.
As you can see, click on open and your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover will be under this page. Click on add page like this. Okay, and keep adding more page that will be matched with your voiceover. Okay, like this. Okay, so what you need to do next, go to the first page, click between those two pages, click on add transition, choose which transition you want to add between your videos. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. I will make it to 0.3 and click on apply between our page. Okay, like this. What you need to do now is you need to click over here on elements. Click on the search for gloves. Okay, like this. Click on videos because we want videos, and here you go. So you will find a lot of videos about gloves. Okay, so for example, let's choose this one. For example, just click on the video and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 point, set the video as background, make it short, click on the next page, click on this one, your video will be over here again. Click on set the video as background, click on the next page. Okay, scroll down, we found a lot of videos here about gloves. Okay, so let me see, let's add this one. You can control it from here if you want to make it short or you can make it long. Click, you need just to click over here, keep clicking, and you can make it long or short. Okay, click on the next page, scroll down, put this one here, click on the next page, you will add this one. You will make it short. You need to make it short to make your videos more engaging and professional, so viewers can enjoy watching your video. Okay, so I'm gonna add, let's scroll down to find different videos. Just scroll down, you will find a lot of videos about gloves here. Okay, you will add this one, make it short, click on the next page, add this one here, next page, and keep using this method. Okay, it's easy and simple. Okay, as you can see, next page, scroll down, let's add this one, and you just need to keep using this method like this. So let's check this video to see if it's a good video. Okay, let me see, and let me know in the comments, guys, what's your opinion about this video.
Alright, let's kick things off with a bang. Cloves and immunity. These little spice powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can give your immune system the boost it needs to fend off those pesky germs. Whether it's flu season or you just want an extra layer of defense, cloves might be your new best friend. Cloves for oral health. Now, who doesn't want a dazzling smile? Cloves have been used for centuries to promote oral health. From easing toothaches to fighting bad breath, these tiny wonders have antibacterial.
And as you can see, guys, we just made faceless YouTube video just by using ChatGPT, Canva, and 11 Labs. Easy and simple and for free. You just need to start. You just need to take action. Just start making faceless YouTube videos. Start uploading faceless YouTube videos to your YouTube channel. Search for topics. Use YouTube search. You will find a lot of trending and interesting topics that people are already searching for. So if you make YouTube video, you will get views, you will get subscribers, and you can grow your YouTube channel fast using this method because you are making videos that people are searching for. So after you finish, click over here on share, click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop, then you can go and upload it to your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment in this video, like this video, share this video with your friend, and see you in my next video.